Hello, old friend. Hello, old friend. Hello, old friend.
So creepy, man. Oh my goodness. I love the voice. Who actually voices Slappy in this? I need to know. Wow. Oh my god, guys. He sounds creepy as. No, I absolutely love the voice. Hello, old friend. That is the first time we've ever had a Slappy voice sound so, like, eerie and, like, sinister and creepy, you know? Wow. Oh, man. Today's S Day, guys. And by that, I mean Slappy Day. Wow, I cannot wait to see this tonight. So, I am on my way to work now. As soon as I get home, I am going to be putting this on. Most likely reacting to it with Shannon, of course. So, yeah, guys. What did you think of the voice that they just revealed? I mean, we did get that one clip.
It's time.
But this gives us more of a more casual sort of a sound for Slappy. So, yeah, what did you guys think? Comment down below. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.
Hello, old friend.